Oh dear, Mr. Painter, you've got a bit more work to do. Rough.
Morning guys, yes! We're back after the Easter break. Hope you had a nice one. I had a few days off. We went down to the coast, so I got a bit of a tan. Well, sort of, you can't really tell. So today I'm back at the flat. Andy's still at that big massive job that we've got on at the minute, that big house. So I'm back at the flats today. Apparently the meters have been fitted so we can get the rest of the flats live. And I've got a delivery of pendants, nice fancy pendants, kitchen lighting and wall lights come in today, so I can get on with those, and I'll do a little update on the video. So first things first, let's wait for the guy to turn up, get the kettle on, and then we'll have a look round.
Don't you just love this weather at the minute? Shocking for April. When is the summer going to start? Not going in there today, too expensive. Quite hard to see, but all the ceilings have been boarded now in this area. There's a PIR and I've got downlights to cut in here, but they're going to skim it first. This area hasn't been done yet, so this isn't me, this is all existing, so this has all got to be rewired yet. So behind this door we should have some new meters fitted, so let's go and have a look. Dun, dun, dun. What a surprise, nothing has been done whatsoever. Great. While I'm here, I'll just show you this. We've got some bonding water and gas because they put in new water and gas meters at the front. We've got some supplies here. I think one's fire alarm panel, one is radial for a TV booster, and one is, what is that for? That is for a fire damper, so that's wired in FP. I've also got a landlord's ring main and a lighting circuit. I'll do a video on this board. I've got this board to do and then finish this area. So yeah, not today though. New scaffold upstairs because I've done this landing area, which I'll show you. I've skimmed all this now. All my cables are in above. Got a nice PIR here, nice pendant, fire alarm, spotlights, and fire damper up here. So I've got some cables behind here, and then in this area here, this is a riser. This is where all our cables are and all our stuff's going to be mounted on the wall in here. So because I've not been here for a week, whatever it is, this fuse board is live. It's off one of the old meters downstairs, and the guy says to me, what I've left it is, I'll say to him, look, just come in and turn on the big main red one and all the lights will come on. So he does that and he says, can you come and have a look because the electric's not working. So I come up, flick the board on, no lights come on, but obviously you've got light switches which he didn't think to try, so it's quite funny. He thought the electric was off and all he had to do was turn the light switches on. Obviously someone's turned them all off, so. Anyway, today, hopefully, I've got wall lights coming. So these, pendant wall light above the surface here, and then in the bedrooms, I've got wall light, pendant, and wall light, pendant. Yeah, so here's the ensuite, looking quite nice now. Towel rail's done right above the bath, so we drill through the tile and put the connection point. That's the spur controlling it, and we put the connection point here. So yeah, let's crack on. Also at some point we are starting to fit the ovens. Well, I am. Got them to unpack it and lay it, and they've actually come with any cable. So we're going to get some heat proof and the flex, because these only are 2.5 kilowatts. So yeah, and they'll just flex into these, and then a control via our switches up there. Feel like a bloody backpacker, you know, it's got a few little tools in there, so I know what I'm doing today. Such a far walk. Cup of tea. Just connecting in this microwave into my flex outlet, which is switch from up here. Microwave. There we go. That, as far as I'm concerned, that's me done with this now. I've just got to wait for some cable to come for the oven. And I'm not sure why people sort of hide sockets and stuff in non-accessible panels, but see if that fuse blows, I can get to that now. Whereas when that's in, I can't get behind there. That's why we do this. Why do they bother putting the Star Taut security screw on the back when nobody can actually get into this when the oven's installed? I'm not sure why. So, oven connections, earth, live, neutral, and there's your cable gripper there.
I just had to come back to the car because where the job is, it's centre of Headington in Oxford, and the parking's a nightmare. It's residents, and there's like 2 and 3 hour bays, so you have to keep moving the car. So first thing that's really annoying me is parking wardens, because I actually got a ticket last week, and I was actually 8 minutes over. That's all he gave me, 8 minutes, and he gave me a ticket, £25. Thank you very much. Second thing that's annoying me is the weather. What the heck's going on? Come on, I want some sun so I can get out in the garden and play with the boys in the garden.
Delivery, lots and lots of lights. Now I'm going to have to get these upstairs and put in the relevant places. Also in that little delivery, my heatproof flex is here, 1.5. So basically what I'm going to do is connect my oven into there and then leave enough to go to my flex outlet, and then the kitchen fitter can fit that himself. I don't mind pushing that in, but he can fit the oven because it's his responsibility if he drops it. Okay, just what I'm doing here is cutting my cables to length, doubling them over, and you could take that off and put a crimp connector on it, but look, if you look at the gap there, it don't actually give you enough gap if you was to put a connector on there. So if you just put it to the left, and then when you tighten that screw, it'll automatically pull the cable up and in and tighten down on it. And before anyone says, why are you only using 1.5? Well, look at the oven connections up there. Cheap, sort of cheap Chinesey. Look at that. That is it. That is what is running the oven. That. And I'll never get why this is never insulated, but I suppose that's why you got a metal cover here. Just a little shout out to all the subs. I think we're going to hit 2,000 subs. This video, we might have hit 2,000 subs, so just a big thank you to everyone for subscribing and coming back and watching the channel. Microwave is now connected up on the flex supplied by the microwave company, which I believe is Bosch, so now I can just fit this. And now the kitchen fitter can fit the oven, he can fit the oven, and he's got to put a bit of trimmer along here, I believe. So yeah. Right, so we got wall lights here, living room and pendant to go there. Let's crack on. First things first, dismantle the light, get your bracket on, get it level, get it all marked. Luckily I've got some timber behind this wood because we put some timber there before they boarded the walls up, so I can fix straight. Okay, so the light is up. It's actually quite a nice light. I've worked on some and they're horrible, but this gives you a lot of room. Now we'll just fit in LED bulbs, E14 dimmable LED bulbs, and there's a little glass bezel on top. So the manufacturer specifies golf ball, and the wholesaler has sent candles, so they don't fit. Too tall. Great. As you can see, I had to shorten the cable, shorten the wire, reattach it all, and then hang it was a bloody pain in the arse on my own, but then shorten it. Luckily this is quite a nice ring, and then we've already got timber up here, so fixed it there. Shorten all this to the right height, which I think is right, and then it looks okay actually. Got more to do, then I'll get them on and show you. Even though we've got the wrong bulbs, I'll put them in just to have a look at them. Got this glass with a bit where you tighten up in the middle there. It's quite nice. Don't really like them, but they're not too bad. Oh dear, Mr. Painter, you've got a bit more work to do. Rough. Okay, so I've just stuck 2 lamps in there temporary to have a look. Yeah, it's quite nice, sort of an up and down, and then there's going to be a diffuser for the top. You also get this switch, which we're never going to use, so you could probably have, these are all wired together, 1, 2, 3 off one switch. So you could have, you know, separate, have this on and have them 2 off if you wanted to, so I suppose you've got that option, but we'll just leave them on for now. There we go. So that's it for today, guys. It's been a bit all over the place because I've got so much to do just to try and get on these flats and just get out and get in the communal area. So if you found it interesting, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.